Hey there, Halloween enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. With Halloween just around the corner, it's time to get crafty and transform your space into a spooky wonderland. And today, we're going to show you how to make these adorable and eerie tomato cage ghosts. They're perfect for outdoor decorations and will surely give your neighbors a good scare. So, let's dive right into it. First off, let's go over what you'll need for this project. Tomato cages. You can find these at your local garden center. White fabric or cheesecloth. Outdoor fabric stiffener or spray starch. LED string lights. Zip ties. Black fabric or felt for the eyes. Scissors. And optional, fishing line or wire for hanging. Assembling the ghosts. Step 1. Unfold your tomato cages and flip them upside down. Next, drape your white fabric or cheesecloth over the cage, ensuring it covers the entire structure. You want your ghost to have a flowing, spooky look, so don't worry about it being too neat. Step 2. Once your fabric is in place, it's time to stiffen it up. Spray your outdoor fabric stiffener or starch generously over the fabric. This will help give your ghost that eerie, floating appearance when it dries. Adding details. While we wait for our fabric to dry, let's work on the face of our ghost. Take your black fabric or felt and cut out 2 large, oval-shaped eyes. You can make them spooky or silly. It's totally up to you. Once your fabric is dry, it's time to add the eyes. Simply attach them to the top of your ghost using zip ties. Feel free to get creative with the expression, the scarier, the better. Lighting up the night. And now for the finishing touch. The lighting. Gently weave your LED string lights through the fabric of your ghost. This will not only add a spooky glow to your decoration, but also make it visible at night. Perfect for trick-or-treaters. Final touches and placement. And there you have it, folks, your very own tomato cage ghosts. Repeat these steps to make as many as you'd like, and then strategically place them around your yard for maximum spookiness. You can even hang them from trees or porch ceilings using fishing line or wire for a ghostly floating effect. Thanks for joining us today as we brought a little spooky spirit into your DIY arsenal. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Halloween hacks and DIYs. Until next time, happy haunting!